about your home and your family over the past few years. Have you had any major changes? Chances are you said yes, because oftentimes the one constant in our life is change. As I think about my own family, here are a few of the major life transitions that we've experienced over the last 3 years. We moved from the city to the country. We sent kids off to college. We had kids move back home again. And I transitioned from being a stay-at-home mom to running my own business full-time. So each time a new transition comes, I like to think about my home and consider what I could do in my physical space to embrace this new phase of life. Sometimes the changes are big, like moving around the kids' bedrooms or doing renovation, but more often than not, I like to celebrate these life transitions in small and simple ways. So today's video will explore 5 simple things you can do inside your home to embrace a life transition you're currently experiencing. Number 1, create a gallery wall. Memories are a great way to remind us of the good times we've had, and a gallery wall can be a fantastic way to showcase them. So choose some of your favorite photos or artwork or even postcards and arrange them on a wall of your home. You can keep it small and simple or go all out with a giant display. Either way, it can be a great way to showcase your memories and bring some added joy to your space. Number 2, change up your bedding. Your bedroom should always be a place of comfort and relaxation, but especially when you're going through changes. One simple way to refresh your space and celebrate this new chapter is by switching up your bedding. Who doesn't love the feeling of fresh new sheets? Switching out your bedding is a simple and impactful way to update a space and help it to feel alive again. Number 3, add some greenery. There's a reason why houseplants are such a popular housewarming gift. Plants have been shown to have a calming effect on your mind and can help reduce stress and anxiety. Adding some greenery to your home can be a great way to celebrate a life transition and create a sense of calm inside your space. So not only will your home feel more welcoming, but your plants will also help to purify the air and improve your overall well-being. Number 4 is do a DIY project. I love throwing myself into a project, and getting creative can be a great way to celebrate a life transition. It could be anything from a wall mural or painting something or designing your own shelving unit. A DIY project can be a fun and fulfilling way to mark this new chapter. Plus, you'll have something amazing at the end to remember. Number 5, rearrange your furniture. Sometimes all it takes to celebrate a life transition is a simple rearrangement of your furniture. This can help you see your space in a new light and create a fresh start. Try moving your sofa to a different wall or swapping out your coffee table for a new one. Not only will this give your space a new look, but it will also help you to mentally transition into this new phase. In conclusion, there are many simple ways to use home design in embracing these new life transitions. So whether you create a memory wall, change up your bedding, add greenery, do a DIY project, or rearrange the furniture, there are so many ways to refresh your space and really embrace where you're currently at. So how are you going to embrace this next chapter of your life? Tell me in the comments below. If you like this video, you'll love my Joyful Room workbook. It's a step-by-step guide to refreshing your physical space. You can get your free copy right below this video. Happy decorating! Bye for now.